Hello everyone, so warm welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about my skincare routine. My skin is oily, which causes acne and pimple situation. The famous reason that I've known about that pimple happens because of makeup, but what I have realized by my skin is that whenever you don't follow a routine, especially removing that makeup before going to bed, is what causes a pimple. Like, you have to take a shower daily so that you feel fresh and away from all the bacterias, right? Since I've started using micellar cleansing water, it's been so easy to remove all the waterproof makeup like heavy mascaras, which we wear it for all entire day, more than 4 hours. So for me, standing in the shower and doing the whole process is kind of really tough. So I do it separately after coming out from entire body shower. Now I take care of my face. I've been oily skin type since I've discovered my skin type. When I was in my teenage, I was going through a lot of pimple, and I started researching and learning more about the kind of face wash. So usually I used to have a myth to use a face wash which can really take out all the dirt and your natural oil, and that's what leads to cause of pimple. Cause it's been a while that I'm in love with caffeine face wash cause it takes care of your natural oil and at the same time takes out all the excessive external dirt that you've been holding on your face throughout the day you've been going for office or wherever. Not fast forwarding my video just because I want to show you how slowly and gently I do the process, because I'm saying consistency is a key. Whichever product you're using, you're not gonna see any result in any single user. So for me, washing my face twice, giving 40 seconds each time is more than enough. Microfiber towels or old t-shirt work best in wiping out your face after face wash. So my face, I've gone through a lot of disaster, not because of jeans, not because of makeup, because of I haven't gave it a proper shield and taken care of it. Like, after coming out of shower, scrubbing your body, you really need to give a moisturizer. Toner is most of the time first layer for my open pore direct coming out from face wash situation. Drinking water will work beyond the limit in favor of all the pimples and acne and disaster that you've been seeing on your body and skin. Because even you have excessive skincare routine, drinking less water will not work in your favor. This massager stone really changed my life, because most of time I've heard that using serum and just putting them directly on your dirty fingers can lead a really bad situation, main reason to pimple. So applying it with this kind of massager, mostly it's said to be a guasa, works in favor. First I use niacinamide serum. This really helped me to work upon big and giant pimples on my face. As you can see in my pictures, oh my god, for me was like how to find a solution for them. This is like a big shield externally, like a bodyguard for my face to guard me from all the dirt and pimples that gonna cause me a really trouble. So I'm really happy to add this in my routine. I've been using it since 2023 and I'm in love with it. My skin is oily and it works in my favor. In reviews I find out people go through breakouts after using it, so you should really read the description and never apply this kind of serum around your eyes area. It's really mentioned in cautions, and that's how it gives a glow. Vitamin C, oh my god, it's just like a food for your skin, especially for your face. If you're focusing for acne on your forehead, vitamin C really changed a game, because conditioner and my hair wash routine was leading to pimples on my forehead all the time, and this really helped me. Once I complete my shower, I go through face wash, and if I don't have any routine or I want to be on minimal, then I apply vitamin C. I'm using it from Plum, and again, you don't have to go through your eye area while using vitamin C serum of any brand that you prefer for your skin. Again, I want to mention it's not a 1 day game or 1 month game. It really took me long time. I'm saying it, consistency is a key. Again, if you feel like it's over floating on your face, you can use a guasa and just even out on your skin. If you are about to do a makeup, please switching from one serum to different serum, give at least 2 to 3 minutes break. And I do this skin routine thrice or 4 times a week. I know it's hard to cope up with all the steps and routine to take care of their face when you are a working person or person who really have to go out for work and do the job. But really, you have to try to have it in your routine because hard things really take you to the upper side of graph. So that's what I guess at the end of the day matters. Again, let me mention it broadly that vitamin C and sunscreen are the main needed food for your skin, especially for the face externally, and it's really needed to give it in all your minimal skin routine to makeup routine to whatever you call it. Any skin specialist says to have sunscreen twice a day on your face, especially when it's a daytime, and thus it just took me 5 minutes to get this glow while practicing it consistently and being promised to myself to be persistent. Vaseline jelly has multiple use on kids to adults, and I've been using it for so many, like for my knees to elbows to my eyebrows to my eyes to my lashes, cause that really doesn't cause any irritation, and that's what fascinates me to have it all the time in every place ever. I put it in my car, to my room, to my office, to every drawer, every corner. I never miss out on it, and you can see how it uplifted my eyebrows without any brow gel. Adding any lip gloss and lipstick can really uplift and give a 5-star shining to your face. And I am using here Lakme Colossal. This is really my everyday go-to lipstick. Oh my god, look at that glossiness and glow up on my face. The movement is like so much shiny, and it's the time to say bye bye through this video. I hope I mentioned all the process very specifically because my whole concern was for oily skin. My videos are more towards information, which really worked for me because I'm not from any medical background, but doing my own research on my skin type, to my hair type, to my scalp. I like sharing all the infos that work for me in long run after applying them as my consistency routine, and I hope that works for you. And whatever queries that reach out in your head, please drop it in comment section, and please do subscribe. Bye bye, take care, see you until next time.